Hiya Petals, Stu here. The delivery driver has just made my day. He's delivered a little haul, which is nearly all gardening related stuff. There are one or two other bits in there, little bits for me, which could be slightly embarrassing. I might have to edit the video, we'll see. Right, first of all though, a little trick and tip, hashtag life hack from Ruby. Your address on the box, if you don't want to throw your address away, this is what we do instead. Alcohol gel, just any really, hand sanitizer, alcohol gel. Are you ready? Watch, I'm going to put a squirt on the label and then I'm going to rub it and all that ink disappears. Oh my goodness me, look. So ink there, it's dry. Watch, disappeared. It's like it never existed. So just a little security trick for you there. Anyhow, right, enough of the hashtag life hacks. Let's get some hashtag gardening is life stuff unveiled. So here we go. Can I do this without doing myself a mischief? Always cut away from yourself actually. Right. What have we got? What have we got? I am waiting on a few more things coming, but they're not getting delivered today. A few more bits off Amazon, gardening related. And then also, there's an internet seed company called Seed Parade. I don't get paid to mention their name. I'm not sponsored by them. Although if you ever watch this, come on, sort yourself out. I just like their company, basically. They're really cheap seeds, so, but they're going to get delivered in the next day or two. So then, scissors down. What have we got? What have we got? What have we got? We've got some brown paper. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Compost material. Oh yeah. Right. So first of all, 2 weed removers. Different shaped blades on a plastic handle. I do have in my, I don't have a backyard or a back garden. I don't have a front garden, neither. But what I do have is straight outside my kitchen door. We're in the alleyway, which is a shared alleyway because I live on a row of terraced houses. And in the concrete, where there's cracks and lines and holes in the concrete, we do get dandelions coming up. So I'm going to use these to get rid of the dandelions. Right, next goodie. Oh yes, here we are, here we are. Spear and Jackson, again, I'm not endorsed or sponsored or paid by them to mention the name, but I have had a lot of Spear and Jackson stuff in the past, which I bought myself, and in my book, they're half decent stuff. So I've got some bypass secateurs. Because as my gardening increases from now on, I'm hoping to use these a lot for pruning, taking cuttings, that kind of thing. Right, non-garden related sticker labels. Again, non-garden related. I won't tell you what they're for. It's a little bit embarrassing. It's another hobby slash pastime of mine, where they throw them scissors. Here we go. So next one. Can I do this without severing anything? Right, here we are. Look, I've already wiped the label off that. It's the first time I've done it. Ruby told me about that alcohol gel trick ages ago. And I think now's the first time I've ever got around to doing it. And it really is like a magic trick. It's amazing. Oh well, it works. So I've not got any worries now about throwing me boxes in the recycling if I'm not composting them, which I have started a little bit of compost, but it's in a tiny plastic bucket, so I mean a box like this would just swamp it basically. I don't even know why I'm bothering. The amount I'm going to get will be minuscule, but I reckon something's better than nothing. What else have we got? Oh, hazelnut flavour syrup. You don't need to see that. That's so I can make myself sexy coffees, sugar free of course. And oh, that's a massive box just for 2 things. And some natural rooting powder. for cuttings. So yeah, I plan to expand the little bit of garden I have got by taking some cuttings. I've got a few things in mind. Friends and family who have certain plants that I know that they have, I will be asking them really nicely if I could take some cuttings, and I'll get them in pots somewhere in my alleyway. Right, so today's gardening haul: rooting powder, weeding tools, and secateurs. I just like saying the name, secateur. So thanks for watching. I'll leave you with a picture of these amazingly vivid pink hyacinths in one of the pots in my back alley.